Hello everyone, welcome to this smart product management application. In this first interface, you can see the total of products and purchases and sales automatically. Then we have another interface for add products, purchase, sales. So first of all, let's add the first product from here. So you can easily add your product, simply enter the product code or scan the barcode. Okay, I will make it manually. For example, product name K or pen drive, right? Okay, and you can also add an image for better visual identification from here. Browse, and you can choose. All right. So once you're done, click add, and your product is saved in database. That's it. Now let's move to the purchase interface. So here everything becomes even faster. Just enter or scan the barcode and automatically the product name and its image will appear. Right? So, okay, as you can see, the name and the image. All what you need now is enter the quantity, for example, then click add the product to cart. Okay, you can repeat the same process to add multiple items to your cart. Once your cart is ready, simply click save to database. From here, purchase cart validate successfully. Okay, that's it for purchase, and exactly the same process applies to sales. Okay, sales 3030, pen drive and the image. Okay, I will say, for example, 30, add to cart, then click save. Now take the same code or scan the same code bar, as you can see. And the current stock is 90. Okay, that's all. Clear. So this icon to close the application or the interface and open database from here, as you can see. Products, purchases and sales.